So I wanted to take this specific video to let you know that one of the greatest things about the paleo diet is that you do not have to count calories. Counting calories is something that really overwhelms, scares, and intimidates a lot of you out there. So I want to let you know that this may be a great option for you because you don't necessarily have to count calories. Personally, I'm always going to recommend that, especially in the beginning. I love having quantitative data that I can go back and look through my FitnessPal or Lose It or whatever application I'm using so that I can see, okay, this is what I was eating during this period of time, this is what my goals were, and then having a progress photo as well, which I recommend that you take once or twice a month. So you'll have that photo, you'll have that diet, you'll have that goal at the time, and you'll get an idea of what your body composition was like. And if you track your data as well, like your weight, like your body fat percentage, like your waistband, you'll have a complete visual and template of exactly what you were doing at that time and how you achieve that certain body composition. So if you want to work back, you can basically say, okay, I'm going to take A, B, and C again. I'm going to work back through that. I'm going to give myself 4, 8, 12 weeks, 6 months, whatever it is, and work back towards that part of your life. Now, if you don't quantitate, if you don't keep track of the numbers, you're going to have less of an idea of how you got there. You might not know what kind of meals you were having at the time, if your tastes and your preferences may have shifted on the paleo diet, which it definitely could. Our palates change all the time. I think it's every 5 to 10 years our taste buds change and we begin to like different things and dislike other things as well. So, as I said, I'm always going to recommend tracking just so that you can keep track of what you were eating when your body looked like this, when your waist was this small or this big, and this was your body fat percentage at the time. But if that all overwhelms you and you just want to get in better shape and you want to lose some weight, just by purely focusing on eating a ton of quality nutrients in lean meats, healthy carbohydrates, and healthy fats, you're going to notice your body composition. It will start to change within 4 weeks of you being on this diet, and you might not even recognize yourself within 12 weeks, which isn't that so exciting that just by switching gears here and eating a ton of food in different categories that you can lose that body fat, that you can lose that body weight, that you can transform yourself. One of the greatest things that I've found on this particular diet that my clients have gotten back to me with is I will get the quote of, Jack, I didn't realize that I could eat so much and be so full on all these foods and still lose weight and still lower my body fat percentage and still shrink my waistband. And I'll say, yes, because all of those calories are quality calories which your body can use for something. Whether it's energy, whether it's to repair muscle fibers, whatever it may be, they are functional single ingredient calories that your body recognizes. So you're not going to absorb it as sugar or starch and store it as glycogen and have it cover up your muscles and drag you down and weigh you down. It's all functional food that your body can use for energy. So going back to counting calories, like I said, I would recommend it so that you can know what your body looked like during a particular period in time. You'll have your progress photos, you'll have your stats, but if you don't want to count calories and it overwhelms you and you think that it'll make you more inclined to quit on this diet, don't worry about it, don't do it. Just focus on eating all of the wonderful foods that you have available to you in this diet.